Very good morning, my dear children. Today onwards, we have to start textbook. 4th class maths. Today we have 4th class maths online class. In this class, we have to start unit 1 first chapter. Let us start. Children, do you observe here shirt buttons, sari, flowers, all are in one order, no? Generally, we observe our daily life, these orders daily. Rangoli like this. So, what is this, children? These are all in pattern. These all are in one order. That order is called pattern. So, our first unit is patterns. Today, let us discuss what is pattern. Okay, a pattern. Patterns are created when figures, shapes, objects are arranged in a particular order and repeated over and over again. Patterns are created when figures, shapes, objects, numbers, etc. are arranged in a particular order and repeated over and over again. Each number pattern follows a certain rule. Here given some number patterns. Each pattern follow a certain rule. Here first one is adding and increasing order. Second one is number is subtracted decreasing order. Third one is multiplied by 2. Fourth one is each number is divided by 3. Now each pattern follow a certain rule. Here 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21. Number is added in increasing order. Here, number is added in increasing order. Now, 1. Here 1 is there, no? 2, 3. When we add 2, we get 3. So, here you have to write plus 2. Look here, 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 3 get no? So plus 2. Next 3. 3 after 4, 5, 6. How many numbers? 3. Plus 3. Next 6 after 10. 6 after what will come? 7, 8, 9, 10. 4 digits. Okay? 6 plus 4, 10. Next 10 after 15. 10 after what number will come? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many are there? 5 numbers are there. So, 10 plus 5, 15. 10 plus 5, 15. Next 15 after 21. Just guess what will come next. Here series 2, 3, 4, 5. Next. Just think mentally. 5 after what will come? 6. Okay, now check it. 15 after 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. How many numbers are there? 6. Okay. Is it clear? Yes. This is in increasing order. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is also one of the pattern. Okay. Next, numbers pattern. Next, second one. 21, 15, 10, 6, 3, 1. Here also given one hint for us. Number is subtracted in decreasing order. Here first one is we have to use addition rule. Here subtracting rule in decreasing order. Okay. Subtracting. 21 minus 15. What will come? 21 minus 15. 11 minus 5, 6. 1, 1. 0. Here minus 6. Next 15 minus 10. 15 minus 10. 5. 1 minus 1, 0. So minus 5. Next 10 minus 6. 10 minus 6, 4. Here minus 4. Minus 6, minus 5, minus 4. Think mentally what will come? Minus 4. Minus 3. Now check it once. 6 minus 3, 3. Okay. 3 after minus 3 minus 2. Okay, 3 minus 1 minus 2. Okay, minus 6 minus 5 minus 4 minus 3 minus 2. Okay, this is the second one. Subtracting rule here we are using. Next, third one. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. In this pattern, 2 is multiplied. In this pattern, 2 is multiplied. When we multiply it by 2, multiply by 2. 2 2s are 4 into 2. 4 2s are 8 into 2. 8 2s are 16. 16 2s are 32. 32 2s are 64. Okay. Each number multiplied by 2. Next, fourth one. 7, 29, 2, 43, 81, 27, 3. Each number divided by 3. Here, each number divided by 3. First, 729 divided by 3. 3 2 ja 6. 3 4 ja 12. 9. 3 3 ja 9. Okay. When we divided by 3, we get 243. Here, when we divided by 3, 3 8 ja 24. 3 1 ja 3. So next, they are given hint. Each number divided by 3. When we are checking with division, we get this next number. 81 divided by 3, we get the quotient 27. 27 divided by 3, 9. 9 divided by 3, 3. In higher classes, not their hints. Your small children know. That's why they are giving hints. Okay? Prepare well. Then you get answers easily. In competitive purpose also very useful to us. These like problems. Okay? Continue patterns with numbers and letters. Not only numbers. Sometimes letters, numbers including both. Some patterns are having numbers and letters also. Okay. First one. A, B, C. Then B, C, D. C, D, E, D, E, F. Look this pattern for alphabetical letters. Here A, B, C. And come again B, C here also. And these two letters come again and this. Next series. A, B, C again coming and one more letter adding. C, D, E. Next what will come? D, E. One more letter. Next letter adding. D, E, F. Okay. Last two letters what are they? E, F. So here E, F we have to write. Then what will come? E, F, G. Do you know alphabeticals? Yes, you are in 4th class. You know very well. E, F, G. What last two digits? What are last two digits? F, G. F, G, F, G. After E, F, G, H, F, G, H. In these two letters, what are that? G, H is there, no? Again, you have to take G, H. G, H, I. Again, last two letters, you have to take H, I, J. This pattern going on. First, you have to observe what given in the first 3 digits. Then find out. Okay. Next. Second one. This is including alphabet and numericals. Numerical means numbers. Numerical ante numbers. This pattern includes alphabets and numbers. 1, 2, 3. Z. Here 1, 2, 0. Decreased 3 digits. 120 Y, Z. Next 117. Here also subtracted 3. 120 minus 3, 117. Y before letter what? X. Here when we subtract minus 3, here we have to get 4. 100 and minus 3, we have to get 104. 14. So X before letter W. Here subtract minus 3, we have to get 111. 4 minus 3, 1. Remaining 2 ones down. Y, W before letter V. V here. Next again subtract 3. 11 minus 3, 8. 0. 108. V before letter U. U, V, W, X, Y, Z, no? That like. Again subtract 3. 8 minus 3, 5. 0, 1. 105. Then U before letter T. Don't confuse T, U, V, W. That like will come. Again subtract minus 3. 5 minus 3, 2. Write down 0, 1. T before letter S. 102. Yes. Look here. Each digit subtracted by 3. Next, before letter only we have to write here. 123 minus 3, 120. Z before letter Y. Again 120 minus 3, 117. Y before letter X. 114 subtracted by minus 3. Then we have to get 111. W before letter V. U, V, W, no? So here V. This is V. Next 108 minus 3. U. Next 105 minus 3. T. 102 minus 105 minus 3. 102. Then S. S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay. This like you have to complete remaining blanks. Okay. Write your own pattern with numbers and letters. Write your own pattern like A, B, C or numbers. Choice is yours. Do it, Nana. Everyone do it your homework book. 68. Okay. Everyone open page number 69. Complete each pattern. 4 patterns given for us. Remaining 4 complete. Okay. First one. Square, diagonal and filled one side. Okay. Filled lines one side. Next circle, midline, filled one. Next triangle. Square, circle, triangle, then again square. But opposite sides filled these lines, this box. Okay. Here this side, here opposite side. So after what will come? Circle. Circle also. Next circle filled with opposite side. Nana. Very important these patterns. We in competitive exams always coming this mental ability test. These patterns will always coming in competitive purpose. Next square, circle completed. Again what will come? Triangle. So here triangle also draw and circle this side. Okay. Square, circle, triangle completed. Square, circle, triangle. Next, then what will come? Again square. Square. Draw diagonal. Next, opposite side you have to fill the lines. Okay. Next, square after circle. Draw the line and you have to fill opposite side. Okay. Observe this. Square, circle, triangle. Square, circle, triangle. Square, circle. Next triangle will come. This like you have to fill up. Okay, just observe 2-3 seconds, then you have to do it. Okay children, very easy. First one, circle, triangle, square. Square, circle, triangle. Third one. Fourth one also done for us. First one, fourth one same as. So again you have to write second one. Which is second one, then write it. Square, triangle, circle, square, then square, triangle, circle. Okay, this like you have to complete all the patterns. Next, third one. Third one, triangle, inside also one triangle is there. Here, this side marked lines, again next to this side, then this side. Next, fourth side as it is first. Fourth one is as it is first one. First one, second one, third one, fourth one as it is first one. So we have to write second one. We have to draw second one. Okay. Next, third one. Draw the circle and in between also one circle draw, which is the second one. Second one completed. Third one. This side we have to fill the gaps. Okay. This like you have to complete Nana. Next. Fourth one. Fourth one, square boxes, 2 diagonals. Diagonals ante cross line గీస్తాం కదా స్క్వేర్ లో, అది డయాగోనల్ అవుద్ది. ఓకే, డయాగోనల్ అంటారు దాన్ని. One side filled with lines, one side with dark color. Okay, quite opposite this. This box is quite opposite for this. Again opposite. Opposite dark, opposite shades. Okay, then first one is again draw this place. Draw the square and 2 diagonals, and first is this side with fill black color and this side lines. Okay, and same as like opposite, quite opposite for this. Write 2 diagonals and filled with black color this side, and you have to draw the lines. Okay, this like you have to complete. Next, fifth one, 2 3 1. 2 3 1. 2 plus 3 4. 4 plus 2 6. Already done for this in textbook. 3 4. 3 4 2. 4 plus 2 6. 6 plus 3 9. Okay. 4 5 3. 5 plus 3 8. 8 plus 4 12. Next, 6 5 4 15. 6 plus 4 10. 10 plus 5 15. First 4 done for us. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. 2 3 4. 3 4 5. 4 5 6. 3 5 6 7. Okay, 5 6 7. 6 plus 7 13. 13 plus 5 18. This like fill up these gaps. 5 after 6. 6 you have to write here. 6 after 7 8. Then add 3. Okay, 6 plus 6 12. 12 plus 1 13. 13 plus 8 21. Okay, next 6 after what will take here? 7 8 9. Then add all this right here. Here 8 9 10. Add all this right here. 7 plus 8 15. 15 plus 9 24. 8 plus 9 17. 17 plus 10 27. This like all these complete pattern in your textbook, Nana. Everyone must and should buy textbooks. This like you have to complete all patterns. When you complete pictorial patterns or number patterns or alphabetical patterns, whatever it may be, you have to follow. First observe carefully with 2 minutes. Okay, then you have to do it. Very easy, Nana. Build the number tower. Fourth one is build the number tower. Here first one is done for us, and go to second one. Here first one example given for us. This is first one. Look here children, 34 28 29. 34 28 when we add, we have to get 62. Then 28 29 when we add, we have to get 57. Next, this to add 62 plus 57. 7 plus 2 9, 6 plus 5 11. 62 plus 57 is equal to 119. Write in your textbook, Nana. Don't forget, everyone must and should buy textbooks. Okay, don't forget, everybody must and should buy textbooks. July 1st onwards starts textbooks, no? Third, second one. 19, 26, 22 given this tower. Next, 19, 26 added with one triangle marker, no? So, add these two when we have to get 45. And these two add, we have to get 48. And again, these two add, build up number tower. Okay? 45 plus 48 is equal to 93. Okay, dears, you have to write your textbook these two. Children, those who did not buy textbook, you have to buy textbook. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.